Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful photo card. This is an ideal way to display our fond memories in it. So let's get started and make this beautiful photo card. So firstly, we'll take an A4 glitter card in a green color. Next, we're going to fold the card in half. So here we have our card base, and we are going to use the card base in landscape position. Next, we are going to take a pink glitter cardstock and we are going to cut a mat out of it. We're going to cut the mat in a way that it leaves a small border all around the four edges of the card. So I'm going to mark a little bit in from the one edge and do the same on the other edge. So next we're going to cut the panel out from the cardstock. So here is a rectangle panel which will sit nicely on the front of the card and leave us a small border all along the four edges of the card. Now we are going to cut a heart-shaped window out from this panel. To do so, we are going to fold the piece of card in half and we are going to draw a half heart shape on the card like so. We are going to start by drawing on the fold and coming our way toward the tip of the heart. Next, we're going to cut the heart window out from the card panel. So here's our beautiful heart window. So next we'll add an acetate piece on the back of the heart window to give it a look of a glass. I'll add glue on the back of the heart window. Then I'm going to stick the acetate on the heart window. We'll trim off any excess acetate. So here's our beautiful heart window, which has a glassy look to it. Next, we are going to apply glue on three sides of the heart window, but not on the top side. Then I'll stick the heart window on the front of the card. So this will create a pocket to slide in our beautiful photos in it. So next, I'll embellish the card with some rose die cuts. I'll apply glue on the back of the die cut and stick it on the front of the card. Next, I'll be taking some stone stickers. I'll be taking these star and pearl stickers, and I'm going to stick it all along the heart border. So our card is looking pretty already. Next, we'll add the pink glitter heart panel to the inside of our card. Next, I'll apply glue to the back of the heart panel and add it to the inside of the card. This is kind of a mat to lay another photo on it. You can display your choicest memories on it. We'll add another heart die cut to the other side of the card. You can write the to and from message on into the inside of the card. You can use a black sketch pen to do so. So lastly, we'll add another flower die cut on the back of the card. This completes our card. So our card is looking really pretty, and this is a best way to showcase our best photos. And you can also gift it to someone with your and so I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can click on the subscribe button below the video. You can also visit my blog craftworldb.blogspot.com for more information. I'll be uploading some sneak peeks of my upcoming videos, so be sure to check my blog out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Crystal Crafts.